Hey guys, Kimberly Thomason here with Vac MD. I just had a customer in who has a DC39 vacuum, and I thought I would quickly give you guys some information about why your DC39 might be kind of hard to push or very hard to push on your hard surfaces. Something people don't realize is there is such thing as wear and tear, just like the tires on your car on vacuums. So this is the DC39 cleaner head, and I don't know if you can see, but the wheels have really worn down. So has the entire base plate itself. This wheel is actually flat. So what's happening is those wheels are so small and short that the vacuum is causing the cleaner head to suction to the floor. All I did was pop a new cleaner head on it, which you can actually purchase in the link below if you need one for your DC39. Popped a new cleaner head on it. It was simple as pie to use on that hard surface, and the customer was good to go. So if you're having troubles with your DC39 Dyson canister vacuum cleaner pushing on hard surfaces, check out your base plate. And if you need the base plate on your cleaner head, and if you need a new cleaner head, let us know. Either give us a call or click on the link below. Thanks, guys.